Okay, welcome back to the algebra crash course. We're now on algebraic formula, so let's get into it. So what is formula? A formula is a rule or recipe that uses letters. These letters can be changed, which are called variables. An example of this is the well-known area of a triangle, which is half base times height. So we have a triangle, we have the base at the bottom, and the height on the left, so it's usually the vertical height, okay? So that's an example of a formula. Now, for instance, if we were told that our height was 5 centimeters and our base was 10 centimeters, we will put these two values in to our formula and work out the answer. So the area will equal a half times your base, which is 10, times your height, which is 5, okay? So that becomes 5 times 5, which is 25 centimeters squared. Substitution is pretty much putting numbers into an equation or formula in order to get the answer. And we kind of did that just previously with that example I gave for the area of a triangle. Okay, so let's take a look. So here's an example. Work out the value xy cubed minus z when x is 5, y is minus 2, and z is 3. So this again is fairly straightforward. We're given this expression xy cubed minus z, right? And we're given values for each of those terms. So for instance, x, we'll be told that x is 5, so we'll replace our x above with the number 5. And from what I've previously stated earlier on in the course, xy cubed basically means x multiplied by whatever y cubed is. So in this case, it's 5 multiplied by minus 2 cubed. And then we're going to take away the value for z, which is 3. Okay, so we just need to work this out using BIDMAS, or some have learnt it as BODMAS. Okay, so we're going to deal the indices first. So we're going to do minus 2 cubed first. So minus 2 times minus 2 is 4, and then that times minus 2 is minus 8. So we have minus 8, have 5 times minus 8, and then take away 3. And I'll put the minus 8 in brackets so we don't get too confused, okay? And now we're going to do the multiplication. So 5 times minus 8 gives you minus 40, and then take away 3. And that will give you minus 43. So that is your answer to this substitution question above.